Hi. I want to give you a short practice to just wake the energy up in the body and move some energy. We're going to start by bringing the palms together, warming them up. We'll bring them into the heart, closing the eyes. We're going to start by chanting Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. So Ong is O-N-G, Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine teacher within. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. So we are bowing to the consciousness that dwells within us, the consciousness that we are and that exists within all beings. I always feel that I am connecting with the infinite and unfathomable intelligence of Source. So we're going to chant 3 times. Inhale deeply. And exhale. And inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. Squeeze the root lock. That's rectum, navel, and sex organs. Press the palms together. Hold the breath. Squeeze. And exhale, keeping the palms together. We are making prayers for this practice that we awaken and shake up the energy in the body, moving anything that is stagnant, bringing life into the system, and releasing energies that are overwhelming or overpowering or overbearing from our systems so that we can settle into a place of peace. Deep inhale. And exhale, releasing the hands. Nice. Just take a big stretch. Arms come up overhead. Whatever feels right to you. You can pull from side to side, forward and back. And then shaking the hands out. Good. And we'll just roll the shoulders a few times. Folding forward. Coming up. Inhale. Coming forward. Exhale. Up. Inhale. Twisting to one side. Folding. Exhale. Inhaling up. Twisting to the other side. Folding and exhale. Inhaling up. Twist. Exhale down. Inhale up. Twist. Exhale down. Inhale up. Come to center. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Great. So we'll come on to all fours. Arching and rounding the spine in a cat-cow. When you arch the back, you inhale. When you round the back, you exhale. Just a few of these in your own timing. Connecting the breath with the movement. Putting the toes on the floor, pressing back into a squat position. Moving around here, however it feels right for you. And pressing up. Letting the legs be long with a slight bent. Shaking the head, no, no, no. Nodding the head, yes, yes, yes. If it feels right, you can straighten the legs for a deeper stretch through the hamstrings, the whole life nerve that runs up the back. Breathing, bending the knees deeply, tucking the tail, and rolling all the way up to standing. The head is the last to come up. And right here, we're just going to start to bounce. The feet are planted firmly on the floor at hip distance. We're just bending the knees, shaking it out. Continuing to breathe. And let your arms be loose. They respond to the bounce. Maybe your pelvis is responding to the bounce. Softening the belly, the head might respond to the bounce. Just letting the head bobble around like a bobblehead in a car. Bouncing. We're just going to start to shake. So shaking the arms, shaking out the hands. Shaky, shake, shake, shake. We're giving it a really good shake, so don't hold back. Shaking the shoulders, a little shimmy and a shake. Shimmy and a shake through the butt. Just wiggling, wiggling. You should feel your butt cheeks bouncing around. You probably feel your thighs bouncing around. Maybe your sides, your belly, your back. Shaking out the legs one by one. We're continuing to shake the arms at the same time. So shake, 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 shake. Shaking the legs, shaking the arms, shaking the shoulders, shimmy, shaking the face. Shaking the face and the butt at the same time. And the arms, legs. Hopping up and down a few times, actually leaving the floor. And coming into stillness. Yeah, noticing what that feels like. Lots of energy enlivened through the body. Breathe. Good. So we'll come back down. If you can sit in rock pose, this is rock pose on your knees. You can do this. You can stick a pillow or a folded towel or a blanket underneath your hips. That might help with the knees or the hips. If this is not accessible to you, you can sit cross-legged or you can sit in a chair. And we're going to do some fists of anger. We're going to get the anger energy moving. So making some fists with your hands. We're going to breathe through an O-shaped mouth like this. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Closing the eyes, continuing. Deep, powerful breaths. Now let your anger energy come up. Feel the anger. Feel any anger that you're feeling about anything in your personal life, anything that's happening in the world, in the relationships that you know. Keep going. Feel the anger. Maybe you have a sense that something feels unfair or unjust. Just feel the feelings. If this gets to be too much with the arms, you can stop with the arms and just do the breathing. If you've stopped with the arms, imagine that you're still doing the movement. Now slowing the movement, slowing the breath. And feel that you are combing and sweeping through your energetic field. Calming the breath. Breathing normally and continuing with the arms to just sweep through the energetic field around the body. It doesn't have to look like anything in particular. Go your own way. You're moving your arms, sweeping through your field. You can sweep down your sides. And come into stillness, whether in rock pose or maybe you change your position to cross-legged or sitting in a chair, but finding some stillness. Just resting with the hands in Gyan Mudra, so the index finger and thumb form a circle, their fingertips touch. The rest of the fingers are lengthened, palms face up. And just resting here. Letting the muscles of your face be open. Feeling the space within your body, the space around your body. Letting everything settle. And just sitting in stillness. Feeling the space directly around your body. Almost like an egg shape of prismatic, maybe invisible, but yet prismatic light. This is often referred to as the 12th chakra, the one that connects you with Source. Feeling yourself sitting inside of this beautiful bubble, this radiance. Notice the experience of aliveness in your body. Maybe your heart is beating a certain way. Maybe you feel tingling. And from this space around your body, as you breathe, inhale its energy and exhale its energy through your heart. Inhaling light into the heart. Exhaling light into the world. Just an easy breath. Whatever breath is natural and normal and comfortable for you right now. Inhaling and exhaling light. And finding complete stillness. So we'll bring the hands together in a prayer position. May the light of Source be known to you as it radiates in and through your entire being, completely surrounding you in infinite love. May this light guide you in all you do. We're going to finish by chanting 3 times, 1 long Sat, 1 short Nam. Sat Nam, I am truth. Truth is my name, connecting to the unified field of intelligence, the unified field of consciousness that you are. Sat Nam. Inhale to begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. With gratitude for the ability to move and to move energy and to find peace. Sat Nam.